Good morning, students. Here I am Anurag Singh. Today we will discuss the mathematics chapter banking. Before that, all of you will stand, join our hands, and surrender ourselves in the hands of God to keep us safe and sound. Thank you. Now, chapter banking will start in mathematics, class 10th. Banking. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this banking? Banking means the business of receiving, safeguarding, and lending of money is called banking. Business of receiving, safeguarding, and lending of money is called banking. If we have access of money, savings to be made, we require bank to keep safe our money. And if we need money for any purpose, like to buy vehicle, for education, to make our home, for any other purpose, bank provides. Safe it is, your money is kept safe. So, purpose of the bank is, if we have excess of money, we the bank receives bank receives money from person who deposit. Bank receives money from depositor at low rate of interest. For example, at 4% per annum. If I am in need of money, I require money for any purpose, for my personal use, I lend money from bank for lend money from bank. Lend money from bank at high rate of interest. For example, at 14%. So, our money can be, if we keep our money safe and if we require, then also the money can be taken from bank. But difference is only if we'll keep, it will be at lower rate, and if we lend money, if we borrow money from bank, it will be at higher rate. Now, types of types of account. Number one, SB account, saving bank account, small saving account, and current account. Number third is recurring deposit, RD. Monthly saving. Monthly equal installment saving. This account is common account. In one day we can deposit one time or we can take out money one time, withdraw money one time. This is for the general use of the bank. Generally, all are having this account. Second type of account is the current account. This is for business purpose. Business purpose. Number of times the money can be deposited in a day, working hours, and number of times it can be taken out. Third type of account is RD account. We will not discuss this saving bank account. We are not in the syllabus, not current account. Only RD account is in our syllabus. For what it is, if I think I am a salaried person and I want to plan to buy a laptop or a vehicle. For example, I want to buy one two-wheeler vehicle. Cost, example I am taking, cost of the vehicle is 60,000 plus insurance plus RTO and other. For this, I have to plan for a 1 year. 1 year. 1 year means 60,000. I am having only 5,000 rupees as a saving in month. So my principal is 5,000 per month. On RD account, bank is paying 10% interest, and time I want to keep this account is 12 months. If I simply keep my money 5,000 for 12 months, it will be 60,000 only. And keeping money every month, it is difficult. So, as from my salary, I deduct 5,000 in RD account. So, what will be the maturity value after 1 year? Maturity value will be principal into number of months plus principal number of months n plus 1 into r upon 2,400. This is interest. So, principal I am keeping 5,000, number of months 12, again 5,000, number of months 12, n plus 1 30 into r upon 2,400. It will become 60,000 plus 12 cancellation 200 times 0 cancel. Now 2 to 25. Here I use rough part to my right column. Multiply 25 into 13. 15, 1, 3 to the 6 on 7, 1 5 5 and 2. 5, 12, 3. Again cross check it. No need not to be in hurry. 15, 5, 6, 7, 5 and 2. 5, 7, 12, 30. Here it will be 3, 2, 5. 3 to 5. 5,000. 24. Check the calculation again. 12 to 2 to 200 times and should be 250. 10. R is 10. So it will become 3250. On adding it, we'll get 63250. This will be the maturity value. Right answer. This 3250 will be the interest after 1 year. So what all we should have? Principal, how much to deposit, time and rate of interest. Rate of interest, this we should note down from the question and then we substitute in the formula. Now children, please open your book. Exercise 2A, page number 23. Exercise 2A, page number 23. Question number 1. Manish opens a recurring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan and deposits 600 per month. 600 per month. We note down the values first. What is given in the question? Read the question twice. Exercise 2A. Exercise 2A. Question number 1. Manish opens a recurring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan, deposits 600 per month. P is equals to rupees 600 per month for 20 months and 20 months. Calculate the maturity value of the account. MB to calculate. MB question mark. And rate of interest is 10. Once again I read the question. Manish opens a recurring deposit account with the Bank of Rajasthan and deposits 600. Correct. 20 months. Maturity value to calculate and rate of interest is 10. No need to get hurry. Read question twice. Note down the given values, what is given and what we have to calculate. Now formula is make solution. You write solution. Question number 1. Maturity value is equals to principal number of months plus principal number of months n plus 1 rate upon 2400. Here principal is 600 Number of months is 20 plus principal 600, 20 and plus 1 21. Rate of interest is how much? 10% over 2400. After substituting the value, you should see that we have substituted the values correct or not. In this substitution only, board used to get 1 mark. If your substitution is correct, rest of the part is wrong. Out of 3, you will get 1 mark in board. So substitution should be correct. Check one time. After checking, for example, I cancel 1 0 of 10, 1 0 of 2, 2, 12 time, and 12 5 are 60, 50. Cancellation is clear. What is left will become 6 to the 12, 1 2 3 0. 12,000 plus 50 into 21. Multiplied here on the right side, 21 into 5 we will do. 5 and 1 0 of 50. 1 0 5 0. Rough work it is. It is checked by the board. Necessary. 12,000 plus 1050. Now we add 12,000 05031. So please see that the equal to sign should come equal. Maturity value and maturity value. We'll write here 13050 rupees. Answer. This should be the maturity value. Please check answer in your book. All of you please check answer in your book. Now question number 2. Please see this. If any doubt, any query, you can make it clear in next class. See, all calculations are clear. Read question, substitute in formula and write answer. This answer to be right and it should be underlined. Second question is, Mrs. Matthew opened a RD account in a certain bank and deposited 640 per month. Here, question number 2. Principal is 640 rupees per month for 4.5 years. Time 4.5 years. It means 48 months plus 6. 54 months. 54 months. Find the maturity value of the account if the bank pays interest at the rate of 12% per year. Rate of interest 12% annum. Now once again we read the question. Mrs. Matthew opened an RD account on a certain bank and deposited 640, correct, per month, 4.5 years, 4 years, 48 months plus 6 months, 54 months. Find the maturity value if the bank pays interest at the rate of 12% per annum. Now we know the formula. Maturity value Pn plus Pn n plus 1 R over 2400. How much is P? 640. Number of months? 54. Plus 640 into 54 plus 55 into rate of interest 12 over 2400. Now please check the values we have substituted in formula. 640 into 54 times 640, 54, 55 R upon 100. 240. Here 12 to the 24, 0, 0. 1 0 can be cancelled by 0 and 0. Denominator is left 20. So 2 to 10 times and 2 to the 4 to 7 the 14, 27. Any more calculations? 2 to 5 times and 2 to 32 times and 5 to 11 times finally. What is left? We'll copy again this sentence, this line. 640 into 54 plus 640 into 54, 32 into 27 into 11. Anything is left in denominator? No. So we'll multiply this in the rough column. 640 into 54, 400, 4 4 is 16, 4 0 24, 25. 500, 5 4 20, carry over to 5 0 30, 32. Check once again. 400, 4 4 16, carry over 1, 4 0 24, 25. 0, 20, 30, 32. 0 6 5 4 3. 3 4 5 6 0. Very good number. 3 4 5 6 0 plus multiplication of 32 into 27. 7 to the 14, 1, 21, 22, 2 to the 4, 2 3 are 6, 4, 6, 8. Now once again by 11, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. 8. 4, 6 and 4, 10, 9 and 6, 15, 5, and this will be 9. Check again. 11 4 the 44 and 66 or 4 50 80 this. For this 0 10 59 9504 9504. Now we'll add this number to 3 4 5 6 0 9 5 0 4 4 6 5 and 5 10 10 or 4 14 4 9504 should come 44064. 44064 rupees. This should be the maturity value. Please check answer in your box. All of you, please check answer in your box. If you are getting, now one different kind of question. These two examples, three examples I have given to calculate the maturity value. Now I will give you one problem on which I have to calculate the monthly installment P. I have to calculate P now. Clear? So we will calculate P. Come to question number 5. Question number 5, you read all of you. Rough column is necessary in boards also. Need not to rub, need not to cut. Here you write rough work. It is checked by the board. Question number 5. A man has a RD account in a bank for 3.5 years. Time he has given. Question number 5 and 3.5 years means 36 months plus 6 months is equal to 42 months. 42 months. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum, are also given 12% per annum. Man gets maturity value. Maturity value 10206. Please check the value 10206 on maturity. Correct. Find the value of monthly installment. After writing these given values, monthly value, monthly installment P we have to calculate in this problem. Question mark. Formula will remain same. Read this question, verify the values. After verifying 3.5 years, 42 months, rate of interest 12, maturity value 10206. First formula will write, it is must to write maturity value Pn plus Pn n plus 1 into R over 2400. Principal unknown P. Number of marks 42. Again here P as it is 42 and plus 1, 43. Rate of interest 12 over 2400. Direct cancellation you can do like 12 to the 24, 200 times. Any other calculation? From 2 I am making 21 and this is 100. Now denominator is 100. I write it again. 42p plus maturity value they have given 10206. Same it will be 10206. Here multiply 43 into 21. 43, 21. 3, 4, 3 to 6 and 8. 3, 6 and 4, 10, 9, 0, 3. Here it becomes 903p over 100. We write 1 here. Now fraction to be added. 100. 4200p, 4200p plus 903p is equals to 10206. We'll add now. Now we'll add 4200. 4200, 903, 3011, 5103. Here this 100 I will multiply, so it will become, why take this up? Look here. 10206 00 is equals to, on adding how much I get? 5103p divided 10206 00 over 5103 is equal to p. We'll cut 200 times. So P is equal to 200 P's. This is the principal I have to deposit every month in my RD account. Now students, please check answer. Please check answer whether it is correct or not. Yeah, please check answer carefully. See, any step, cancellation should be clear. Rough work should be shown on the right side and every step should be clearly seen. Substitution, equal sign should come equally and answer to be underlined. Answer to be underlined. So today I have discussed for what the bank is used, keep our money safe, and as per our requirement it provides. Although when we lend money it will be given at higher rate, and if we submit money it will be at lower rate. But in all the cases, if we have kept the money in the bank, it is safe. So banking is necessary in our life to run this machinery and to run our life. Banking is necessary. So today students, we have discussed two types of problem. Number one, how to calculate the maturity value. Number two, how to calculate the principal. Principal means how much I have to pay monthly so that I can achieve my goal. Thank you, students. We will meet you soon. May God keep you safe and sound, and we are eager to meet you. May God help us all. Thank you.